Hi mer friends, my name is Justine, I'm the Mermaid Seamstress, and today we're going to be looking at my favorite mermaid tricks. So I get questions from a lot of my swimming videos about how I do some of the tricks that you see me doing in the videos. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my backflips, my twists, my wall walking, and of course, the ever important fluke slap. Remember, if you're new here, to subscribe down below, click the bell notification button so that you don't miss another video. And if you have any tips on how to do any of these tricks or how to do tricks of your own, leave them down in the comments box below. If you want to see more of these trick tutorials, leave it down in the comments box below what you want to see, and I'll try and get to it as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Now enjoy the tricks. So my absolute favorite trick is a backflip. Backflips are one of those classic mermaid tricks that everyone should know how to do, except they're a little bit more challenging than one might have think. My trick for a graceful backflip is to start with a little bit of momentum, throw your head all the way back as if you're going to look at your tail, and bend your knees and let your arms follow you and propel you in a backwards circle. You can use backflips by themselves as a static trick or to change directions in the middle of your swim. Next favorite trick is wall walking. Wall walking is something that I picked up from Mermaid Biosa, or the Electric Mermaid here on YouTube. And to do wall walking, it is very, very simple. You can start either on your front or your back, and you're going to pull yourself down so that you're swimming as close to the wall as possible, and then go as far down, walking your hands in front of you as far as you want, and using your hands to pull yourself down the wall. Here's an example of me doing it, where I'm going to start on my front, and I'm going to roll onto my back so that I can stick my stomach to the wall and keep walking down. If starting from the top of the water is too hard, you can also start practicing on the side by just going horizontally. Twists are a really simple trick that add a lot of glamour and grace to your swims by just making it look like you are at home in the water. I start twists by pulling down on one arm and turning over that same shoulder. That way I have a little bit of momentum turning me around. You can also practice your turns by twisting yourself against the wall or the floor of the pool. And that also looks really good, especially if you push off afterwards, as a way of changing direction when you swim. Fluke slaps, of course, are the classic mermaid trick and one of the easiest to do, but the hardest to practice. What you're going to do is you're going to start in a whale dive, bring your butt up, and let your feet flap behind you by bending your knees. And then, of course, you can combine these tricks into any which way you want. This is a twist into a backflip, into another twist, into a cute bubble heart, or you can do a wall walk into a backflip. The combinations are endless. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell notification button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, fish friends.